What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to read private Slack messages. So let's get started. So guys, note that this is my iOS version, so I'm going to teach you guys how you can read private Slack messages in iOS system. So what you're going to do is guys, so let me make it clear guys. Talking about reading private Slack messages, it's talking about the DMs that your friend or the person that you send. So how you do is just go to your Slack and you'll be having this home screen. Then scroll all the way down, you'll be having options which says direct messages, and then go to the person's DM list. Just go, and over here you'll be having their messages, the private Slack messages that you'll be receiving. So this is how you can read private Slack messages. So that's pretty much guys. I hope this video is useful for you. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.